Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 40, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to get your toggles. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and then swipe to the left to go to the next page, because we have several pages. And all you're looking for is the battery saver toggle. Now for me it is on the second page. So once you see this toggle, press on it. It will bring up this message right here: turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restrict background activities, and delays notifications. Now the most important part in here in this message will be the delays notification, because what will happen is the phone, if I'm correct, turns off Wi-Fi and mobile data when it's not being used. So when it goes to sleep mode, so first I'm gonna just select turn on, there we go. So when it goes to sleep, which this would be considered sleep mode, after like a couple minutes, it will disconnect from said Wi-Fi and mobile data. And because of this, obviously you will have delays in getting notifications. It will, based on that, well, based on this notification, I can assume reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data, or both, every like 20 minutes or so maybe. So that's why we have the delay. So anyway, if you want to obviously not have the delay, all you would need to do is turn off the power saving mode. Now for those people that would want to save up a little bit of power and still have, well, not delayed notifications as an example, what you can do as an alternative, and this is just kind of like a completely different thing, we can just turn off our power saver mode or battery saver, and you can turn down the brightness. Now this will only affect the phone when you actually are using it as a screen on time. So that's one of the biggest things that will be consuming the most amount of battery, which is your display brightness, but that only affects it when you're using it. When it's locked, obviously this change will have no effect because the screen is completely off. So this effect only, or this change only affects it when you're using it. But it's a decent alternative for people that tend to use their device quite often, wake it up and do anything on it. It will automatically have a lower brightness and also consume less battery because of it. And just to kind of give you a brief idea, as a kind of like a speculation, dropping it from anywhere like this brightness, so one that I would probably be using on a typical like daily basis, to something that is obviously dim, about half of the brightness down, it's still clear to see. Like I can read everything here. It's not really hard for me to see the text or anything like that. It might be when I go outside, but indoors this is perfectly fine. It's nothing like super nice, but it's still visible. And this change would probably give me like 3 additional hours of battery life, if not more. And this is just a simple change, and we're talking straight up just screen on time. So that is a pretty good addition or additional time that you can use the device from just this simple change. But like I mentioned, this is just an alternative to people that don't want to sacrifice the delay in the notification delivery. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, informative. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.